Okay, so in the process of setting his trunk setup, I cleaned his trunk liner that the car comes with, but I've attached 1/8 MDF board underneath just for a little bit more stability. I like to usually, when I'm working with the airlift tanks or any kind of a tank, I usually take it out, and the foam that it comes with is really cool as a backing when you guys are putting in the fittings and all that kind of stuff. So don't throw away the foam or the packaging. It could be used as a really nice base that kind of prevents the rack, not the rack, but the tank from scratching up. So I like to utilize the foam that it comes with in order to sort of lay it, so I can put in all the fittings required. We're going to plumb this thing up. We might do a small little hardline setup for it. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to mount the tank. I'm going to get the compressor. I'm going to get the manifold out. Then we're going to move on into the wiring, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Okay. So I finished up Dylan's hardline setup. Nothing really crazy, just like a nice clean basic line. He went with a single Viar compressor, running Airlift 3P management, 4-gallon tank. I made the manifold back here. We're kind of short on space, so we're trying to get as much trunk space as possible. So I kind of use the 90-degree fittings as opposed to the straights, because then the lines will go over here. This way, at least I can sort of run the lines behind here nice and clean. Of course, butt connectors on the compressor, so it's easy to disconnect. We're going to do the same on the harness. A purge valve, as always. I like to use the lever purge valve just because it's simple to purge your tank. I don't like to use the inflator valves that a lot of guys use. And nothing really crazy, just a nice clean setup. If you guys follow my hardline setup tips, basically in order to elevate the lines as I was bending them, I used foam blocks in order to sort of get the curves that I needed. And of course, I have templates set up for my bender, so it makes it easier for me to basically bend whatever kind of line I want. I can't wait to put this into the Audi, which is laying floor down here. Just got to do the wiring, put this in, calibrate it, and she's good to go. So yeah, stay tuned. When it's a nice day, because it's night right now, I'm going to sort of do a proper video of it, and stay tuned for the next vid. Okay, I completely forgot the wiring part of the B8. So the ACC signal can be gotten from the relay that's over here, the 645 relay in the corner. See this little flap that comes with an airlift kit, and basically this pin over here is the one that provides an ACC signal. So you can take your ACC wire right from this bit of the 645 relay. When it comes to doing the positive, once you remove this cover over here, there's a whole bunch of different points that you can tap into. So basically I ran my positive from here. There's a fuse there, and it's just going nice and clean out of the way. And then I can also use the plastic cover to cover everything up for an OEM sort of feel to it. It's got like little notches on there that have to go in. It's like a little plastic flap. There you go. Plastic cover is covered. And then for the negative, I ran the negative lead line over here from the negative battery terminal. So everything is nice and clean. And I can put the cover if I want, in order to put the spare wheel tire. The ACC signal, which is going to be going underneath here to the fuse box, and that's where I'm going to be getting my ACC. That's pretty much it. And then you have the positive and negative for the compressor. I'm going to connect the lines, put in the flap or the top piece, and it's good to go. As good as gold.